Bend your left knee. Place the sole of your left foot to the inner thigh. Inhale to lengthen your spine. Exhale to turn the heart and the belly to the right. So you see this slight twisting action, and then choose how far you're going to go today. Are you going to stay here? Are you going to bow forwards? Grab your chair, and you can hopefully take your hands to the floor and place your forehead on the chair seat. And then grow quiet. Acknowledging any thoughts that are coming and going, let them flow. Rather than trying to hang on to them and rather than trying to push them away. Just like you're allowing yourself to feel what's going on in your body, allow yourself to feel what's going on in your thoughts. Gently begin to walk yourself up. And stretch your left leg out in front of you, Dandasana. Now bend your right leg. Sole of left foot to inner left thigh. Inhale, lengthen your spine, and exhale, bow. The trick is to knowing all these different options that you have for yourself when something happens so that you know what to do, just like in your life. The trick is not to never ever make a mistake ever again in your life. It's to know what to do when you do make the mistake. Not that you want to chase after making mistakes, but just like your yoga practice, this is a practice. And let it be that. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Namaste.